खड्गञ्च परमप्रीतस्तूणी चाक्षयसायकौ वसतस्तस्य रामस्य वने वनचरैः सह। खड्गम खास महाप्रणः च. Khadgam ends in anuswara followed by cha. So it becomes khadgancha. The anuswara changes to nya, which is the nasal of the cha varga. Paramapritaha is a compound word. Visarga changes to su there. Tuni. Paramapritas tuni because of sandhi. Cha akshaya sayakau. Chakshaya sayakau because of sandhi. Akshaya sayakau is a compound word. Vasataha, visarga changes to su there. Tasya. Vasatastasya because of sandhi. Ramasya vane vanacharaihi is a compound word. Visarga changes to su there. Saha. Khadgancha paramaprítastúni chakshayasayakau vasatastasya ramasya vane vanacharais saha. ऋषयोऽभ्यागमन् सर्वे वधायासुर रक्षसां सतेषां प्रतिशुश्राव राक्षसानां तदा वने. ऋषयः अभ्यागमन्. ऋषयोऽभ्यागमन् because of sandhi. अभ्यागमन् the bhas mahapranah. सर्वे वधाय धा mahapranah. Asura rakshasam is a compound word. Vadhayasura rakshasam because of sandhi. Saha, visarga is dropped because of sandhi. Tesham pratishushraava rakshasanam tada. Rakshasanam ends in anuswara followed by tada. So the anuswara changes to n. So it becomes rakshasanam tada because of sandhi. Vane. ऋषयोऽभ्यागमन् सर्वे वधायासुर रक्षसां सतेषां प्रतिशुश्राव राक्षसानां तदा वने. प्रतिज्ञातश्च रामेण वधः संयति रक्षसां ऋषीणाम् अग्निकल्पानां दण्डकारण्यवासिनां. प्रतिज्ञातः visarga changes to shu there. Cha. प्रतिज्ञातश्च because of sandhi. Ramena vadhaha dhas mahapranah. Visarga changes to su there. Sanyati. Vadhas sanyati because of sandhi. Rakshasam. Rishinam. Agnikalpanam. Rishinam agnikalpanam. Agnikalpanam is a compound word. Dandaka aranyavasinam. Dandakaranyavasinam is a compound word. Now, Agnikalpanam ends in anuswara followed by the. So, it becomes Agnikalpanan Dandakaranya Vasinam because of sandhi. Pratignatascha Ramena vadhas sanyati rakshasam Rishinam Agnikalpanan Dandakaranya Vasinam. Tena तत्रैव वसता जनस्थान निवासिनी विरूपिता शूर्पणखा राक्षसी कामरूपिणी. तेन तत्र एव तत्रैव because of sandhi. Vasata janasthana nivasini is a compound word. Sthanathas mahapranah. Virupita shurpanakha is a compound word. Khas mahapranah. Rakshasi kamarupini is a compound word. तेन तत्रैव वसता जनस्थाननिवासिनी विरूपिता शूर्पणखा राक्षसी कामरूपिणी. ततः शूर्पणखा वाक्यादुद्युक्तान् सर्वरक्षसान् खरन् त्रिशिरसं चैव दूषणं चैव राक्षसम्. ततः visarga changes to shu there. Shurpanakha vakyat is a compound word. The Shurpanakha khas mahapranah. Tatash Shurpanakha vakyat because of sandhi. Shurpanakha vakyat, the t in the end changes to d because of sandhi. Udyuktan. So it becomes Shurpanakha vakyad udyuktan because of sandhi. Sarva rakshasan is a compound word. Kharam kha mahapranah. Trishirasam is a compound word. Kharam ends in anuswara followed by Trishirasam t. So it becomes Kharan Trishirasam because of Sandhi. The Anuswara changes to N, which is the nasal of the Tavarga. Trishirasam, the next word is Cha. So it becomes Trishirasancha because of Sandhi. The Anuswara changes to Nya, which is the nasal of the Chavarga. Cha eva, Chaiva because of Sandhi. Dushanam Cha. Dushanam ends in Anuswara followed by Cha. So it becomes Dushanancha. Eva. Cha and Eva together become Chaiva because of Sandhi. Rakshasam. Tatashurpanakhavakyadudyuktan sarvarakṣasan Kharan Trishirasanchaiva Dushananchaiva Rakshasam.